What's good guys, my name is Igor for real and this is Freestyle Advice for Beginners and Advanced Part 2. In the first part of the freestyle series, we talked about the first 2 guidelines that you can use to practice and learn your freestyle. If you haven't seen that video, you can click on the link above or on the one that I will leave in the description below. Now in this video, I will explain how to use speed control and ground moves to level up your freestyle and learn new things. To use levels means moving up and down. I'm sure you saw it many times when dancers are jumping or moving down and eventually doing ground moves. Using levels is another bonus to your dance, either it's choreography or freestyle. Dancers going down more often than jumping, so get ready to use ground moves and transitions to the floor. You can start switching levels by bending down or bending your knees with the moves you already know, or just simple steps to get comfortable in these positions. Next step is you getting lower, getting on your knees. There are a few transitions that you can use, like going straight down on your knees, the knee drop, or the knee drop with a spin. Since the original dance of hip-hop culture is breaking, you can learn a few basic moves from it to feel more comfortable when you go down on the floor. Moves like 6-step, three-step, CCs. You can learn those first and get comfortable on the floor and then try to move your way. Next is sitting down. A common position to quickly switch levels and sit on the floor is the W, used in all street dance styles. Very useful and looks good, so I suggest you learn it. But again, always warm up and stretch before starting. Another good move and a quick level switcher is a move used by the lockers. It's called the split. A great move to finish off your performance or quickly go down. If you want a detailed tutorial on levels transitions, let me know in the comments below. Remember, before practicing these, make sure you do a good warm-up to prevent injuries. When you go on your knees, you can try and move from that position. If you're a beginner, do something simple. Try to make one step at a time slowly to see what is comfortable for you. If you are advanced, you can try to do moves that you normally do on your feet. It will look different and fresh. Speed control is often going alongside musicality, because the music is always telling you how to move. As the song is changing, your dance needs to change with it. Although, if you are just starting practicing this, keep it simple. Try to do the same moves with half of the speed, normal speed, and double speed. Very important thing is that as the moves get faster, your amplitude gets smaller. Otherwise, you won't be able to keep up and be off beat. And other way around, if you are moving slowly, try to fill the whole time that you have with the movement. Hip-hop dance is all about constant movement, so you need to be moving all the time. Even if there's no beat, try to continue your move or movement till the next beat or sound where you can switch. Basically, this is how you train speed control if you're a beginner. Take one step and try doing it with different speed. After that, try to switch between speeds while dancing. Also use music with different tempo. If you're advanced, do your freestyle and switch speed at some points. We will talk about how to use speed control with musicality in the third part of the freestyle series. Well guys, that is it. Second part of the freestyle series videos, levels and speed control. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. Follow my channel for more tutorials and videos. Follow me on Instagram for the updates and my freestyles. Keep on dancing and have fun with it. Peace.